Hello and welcome back to another Inspiration Clan video lesson. Today we're going to look at a super quick and awesome technique to turn any image from day to night. Right, so let's jump straight into Photoshop. You can see we've already got our stock image loaded. This is a free stock image from Unsplash, which you can download below this video. So the first thing we're going to do is come into our layer stack and click on the adjustment layers icon at the bottom. And we're going to add a color lookup. Now, a color lookup is essentially a lookup table that contains instructions for Photoshop to take original colors in your image and remap them to different specific colors to create a certain look. In our case, we want to change the colors from day to the colors at night. So if we click this 3D LUT file drop down, we will see at the bottom we have night from day. So that's the one we're obviously going to select. And you can see straight away that we've already got a very good effect. That's done a great job. Photoshop's worked out from the colors and the lookup table how to change our image to night. So that's already looking pretty good. The next thing that we want to do is we want to come to our adjustment layers again, and we want to select a gradient map. So gradient map selected. What I'm just going to do quickly is change the blend mode to soft light. There we go, soft light, much better. And we also want to, if we just click here, go to the properties. On this gradient map, we want to click on this gradient. This will give us our various options for the colors and the presets. Now, we don't want any of these presets. What we want to do is click on this cog. This will give us drop down, and we can load other presets in. So in our case, we want to use the photographic toning presets. So let's just click on the photographic toning presets, click OK. You will see that the presets all change. Now what you can do is you can have a look through these presets and work out what preset works best for your image. Browns obviously is warmer. If we go blues, much lighter. So in our case, I'm going to use the blue, probably quite an intense blue, because what I want to do is give the appearance of moonlight. So that is going to work well for us. So I'm going to hit OK on that, and I'm going to close that out. So there we have it. With two simple steps, we've already created a pretty good effect to turn our image from day into night. So that is going to be our base to build on, and then in the next lesson we are going to adjust the highlights and the shadows to intensify the look, essentially the moonlight look. So I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you for learning with Inspiration Clan. I hope you enjoyed this video. To view the full course, visit our website inspirationclan.com. The link is in the description. For more free tutorials, like and subscribe.